So, you need a gift and you only got one. So, what should you do? Craft a mini diorama. Welcome to IreviewUread, where you watch me craft and maybe learn a little something. Just a little. Wait, what? Before we begin, we need stuff like a small container. It can be a recycled sweet box. Mini decoration that can fit in your container. I went for unalived dried flowers. Or you can also print out a tiny photo. Alternatively, you can cut out your favorite character and stick it on one side of the container. Done. Next, the landscape. Fill the other side of the container with clear UV resin and put down your base decorations. For me, I'm placing fake grass and real stones. To create words and the sea, I mix different color pigments with clear resin and use a toothpick to carefully put them in. You can put whatever decorations you want. I put some small pink sponges as flowers and some white resin so that the words could be seen. You spread a layer of clear resin before starting so your decorations can stick. Last step is to cure. Voila! Okay, I like. The last step is to trim the magnets and stick them onto the back of your containers and you're done. Yay! Not a fan of resins? No worry. Here are some other DIY ideas you can check out. If you like this idea, leave a like. Find out this craft, leave a comment. Looking forward to more inconsistent but mildly entertaining yet informative DIY tutorials or content in general. Click on the subscribe button. Click on the bell too to be alerted the moment I post a video, or else you won't know because I don't have a schedule, so I post things like a ninja. Hey.